Bay windows are a stunning architectural feature that adds charm, natural light, and spaciousness to homes in Bel Air. However, to keep them looking beautiful and functioning efficiently, regular maintenance and proper cleaning are essential. With the right care, bay windows can remain in excellent condition for many years. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain and clean your bay windows for longevity in Bel Air. Regular inspection and maintenance. Bay windows are composed of multiple panes and angles, making them more susceptible to wear and tear. Conducting routine inspections ensures any potential issues are addressed early. Check for sealant gaps. Over time, the caulking and sealant around the windows may deteriorate, allowing moisture to seep in. Check for any cracks or gaps and reapply high-quality sealant as needed to prevent water damage and drafts. Inspect the frames. Wooden frames should be examined for signs of rot, while vinyl and aluminum frames should be checked for cracks or warping. Promptly repair or replace any damaged sections. Ensure proper insulation. Bay windows contribute to your home's energy efficiency. Make sure weather stripping is intact to prevent air leaks and reduce energy costs. Look for condensation issues. If condensation frequently appears between the panes of glass, it may indicate a broken seal. Consider replacing the affected panes to maintain insulation and visibility. Cleaning the glass for crystal clear views. Bay windows provide panoramic views, but dirt and streaks can diminish their aesthetic appeal. Follow these steps for spotless glass. Choose the right cleaning solution. A mixture of water and vinegar or a streak-free commercial glass cleaner works well. Avoid ammonia-based products that can leave a residue. Use a microfiber cloth or squeegee. Paper towels and rough cloths can leave lint and streaks. A microfiber cloth or squeegee ensures a smooth and clear finish. Clean on a cloudy day. Cleaning windows under direct sunlight can cause the cleaning solution to dry too quickly, leaving streaks. Wipe in circular motions. For best results, clean with a circular motion to remove all smudges and dirt effectively. Caring for the window frames. The window frames play a crucial role in both aesthetics and structural integrity. Different frame materials require specific care. Wooden frames, dust regularly and use a damp cloth to clean. Repaint or reseal every few years to prevent water damage and extend longevity. Vinyl frames. Use mild soap and water to clean vinyl frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that could cause discoloration. Aluminum frames. Wipe with a damp cloth and use a metal polish occasionally to prevent oxidation. Maintaining the window tracks and hinges. Dirt and debris buildup in window tracks and hinges can affect the functionality of bay windows. Here's how to keep them working smoothly. Vacuum the tracks. Use a vacuum cleaner with a nozzle attachment to remove dust, dirt, and debris from the tracks. Apply lubrication. Hinges and sliding mechanisms should be lubricated with silicone-based lubricant to prevent stiffness and squeaking. Check for obstructions. Ensure there are no obstructions in the track that could prevent smooth opening and closing. Protecting your bay windows from harsh weather. Bel Air experiences a variety of weather conditions, including sun exposure, rain, and humidity. Protecting bay windows from harsh elements ensures their longevity. Install window awnings or blinds. This helps reduce direct sun exposure, preventing fading and heat damage. Ensure proper drainage. Keep gutters clean and ensure proper drainage around bay windows to prevent water accumulation. Use UV-resistant film. This can help prevent excessive heat buildup and protect interior furnishings from sun damage. Seasonal deep cleaning and maintenance. While regular maintenance is crucial, seasonal deep cleaning ensures your bay windows remain in top condition year-round. Spring and summer. Check for any winter damage, clean the glass thoroughly, and refresh paint or sealant as needed. Fall and winter. Prepare for colder temperatures by reinforcing insulation, ensuring weather stripping is intact, and checking for any signs of drafts. Conclusion. Bay windows are a valuable feature in any Bel Air home, adding elegance and enhancing natural lighting. By conducting regular inspections, cleaning both the glass and frames properly, maintaining tracks and hinges, and protecting them from harsh weather conditions, you can ensure their longevity and optimal performance. Implement these simple yet effective maintenance steps, and your bay windows will continue to enhance your home's beauty and efficiency for years to come.